is it?
Look,
Is that Wreck-It Ralph? Let's see you, Elaine. What you get?
What is
Elaine, look at me.
What is
What,
riding
Elaine?
the sea?
Look up here. I'm filming. Look at me. What do you got there? Okay, you want to go? Don't wipe it in your pants. Come on, let's go.
Look, guys. Woody's riding the sea.
Look at him. Look. Marty, look. Look, he's got two legs.
Look, let me see.
That's a pink fire truck. Your dress matches the fire truck, Elaine. We love you, Grandma. These are all the people that are dead.
No, I mean, some kids went all out. Oh my God.
No, they died in cancer. Okay, see now we can get in here. Go ahead. Stand there. That's what the man gets for cutting in front of us, huh? He got stung by a big mosquito bug. Marty, get off that. Okay.
Let me see.
We're not done yet. I got an idea. Why don't you put them in handcuffs and we'll see how that looks. Remember that, Marty? We were there. I'll take you there sometime, okay, Elaine?
Hey, I know those are the windows.
Want to see that, or do you want to see Salvador Dali? Look, it's a shark. See it? Remember we saw him in concert. Look at what? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at a giraffe. Okay, let's look at the others. Come on. There's... Say SpongeBob. Come on, let's look at these. Look at that one. Look, she got purple hair. Look at that. And you have a purple dress. Wow, look at this one. Hey, these are See, it used to be a tree. Tell him you speak for the trees.
I continue to speak for the trees.
He's making a sneed. See him making a sneed? He's making a sneed there, Elaine. Right? See the sneed?
Yeah, I saw that. But this is empty.
I just want to take a picture. I gotta take a picture of you too, and I'll show the guy. So,
Yeah. Stick with your day job, Dad.
yeah, I don't have one. Hey, you want to put it on her? Go ahead.
Oh, yes, some little.
She'll clean you up. She'll clean you up. Here's all the makeup.
Okay, let's take some of that off.
Here we're gonna. That's your first lipstick ever. Oh, yuck.
Oh, that's a lot of lipstick. Okay.
What's that?
Shiny.
You like it? She does snore, huh? The bus is still late, and we're waiting for the bus. In the meantime, perfectly clean white pants are now dirty. He's got his hands now once again full of stuff, and we're sitting here waiting for the bus, which still hasn't come. Marty, you're gonna get your hands dirty again. You're getting your hands dirty after we cleaned you up completely.
Oops, sorry.
Get back here. Here comes the bus. You see what time it is? It's almost 8 o'clock and they're finally showing up. You see that? 7:50 a.m. So they got 10 minutes to get to the school, get into the thing, get their breakfast. But of course they won't happen again. I'm right here. Come on, Lane. I'm right here. Look, there's Madonna. Go kiss her. You want to kiss her? No? Want to kiss her, Marty?
Hopefully, you were given your minion goggles. These goggles were designed by our own lovable and disturbingly old scientist, Dr. Nefario. After spending months sampling the latest in eyewear technology, he would not rest until he found the perfect model of goggles. Dr. That's something really big today, so I'm going to have to do this kind of quick. Hello, I'm Gru. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question. And thank you. Anywho, One moment. This is good. But tell the Fario, add more dynamite. I want a bigger boom. You didn't hear that. Anyway, yes, you will be turned into minions.
Hey, Dad! It's Santa Claus! Hey, Dad!
Oh yeah, look at that. I think you gotta pay for that.
Yeah, we don't want
Hey, let's see the Blues Brothers. Here, you want to shake his hand? Shake his hand. Shake his hand. Want to shake his hand?
Control of all of your soul. Don't look last week, just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Confidence of money, pieces to it. Get started, if you want my money, I'll walk you through it.
Shake his hand. Shake his hand, Marty. Quickly. Yeah, that one. Stand in front of it and we'll get your picture there. And there's the locomotive. That's the Jules Verne train, Back to the Future. And isn't it nice? And there goes Marty. Go ahead. Okay, turn around now. So we can see you both. Okay, come here. Show me. Hey, look at me.
Ed, look at mommy.
Elaine.
Sammy, move out of the way, please. That's a good one.
Look at me, I'm filming. Okay. Wow. like it? Wave. You like your hat? What kind of hat is it?
Princess Queen.
Princess Crown. Where are we? We're in Celebration here. Okay, hold it back. Hold it back. Let me see it. What is that?
A Parasaurus.
A what?
A Parasaurus.
So it's a dinosaur.
Did that take 25 minutes?
Here comes the bees. Get him! Get him! How many bees you got? Look at that. Mardi Gras, huh? You got a lot of beads. How many are there? Let's see you, Marty. How many beads you got? Huh? Here, let's see you both together. Wow, you got lots of beads. Look at that. Wow. Look at yours. You like Mardi Gras? Say, I like Mardi Gras.
I like Mardi Gras.
One more time.
I like Mardi Gras.
Okay, let's go. Hey, you look good, don't you? You got enough beads? Here.
Hey, look. Hey, look.
You got?
It's a dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur? Let's see how many beads you got. You got enough?
Yeah.
What time is it? It's Marty. Say it's Mardi Gras time.
Mardi Gras time.
All right. Marty. Marty. Marty, look at me. Marty, look at me.
Say uncle. Say uncle. Never.
Up, up, up. Down, down, down.